Welcome to the new EverWash Attendant App. In this video, we'll walk through the updated sign-up experience step by step, including location selection, sticky referral codes, license plate capture, account lookup, re-sign-ups, family plans, and payment updates. These updates were built directly from operator feedback and are designed to help you sign members up faster, protect the wash from duplicate accounts and promotion misuse, and keep control of the sales conversation. Let's get started. When you open the EverWash app and log in, attendants who work at more than one location will be asked to select where they're currently working. You'll see a list of your assigned locations, along with the approximate distance to each one. If a selected location is unusually far away, the app will prompt you to confirm your choice. Once selected, your active location is clearly shown in the app. All sign-ups, scans, and activity are now tied to the correct wash, improving reporting and accountability. Before signing members up, you can set a referral code for your shift directly from the Attendant app. Go to the Settings tab and toggle on Show Referral Code at Home Screen. Then return to the home screen and select View Referral Codes to see all available codes at your wash. To pin a code for quick access, swipe right and select Pin. Your selected code will then appear prominently at the top of the home screen and will automatically apply to any membership sale you make. To change or remove your active code, tap it at the top of the home screen. You'll see your currently selected code at the top of the list with options to unpin it and select a new code or clear your selection entirely. You can also swipe left on any code to copy promo code details to your clipboard. Handy if you want to share your referral code with friends or family via text. If you're not using a referral code for any given shift or sale, use the slider in the Settings tab to disable referral codes from your membership signups. To begin signing up a new member, tap Sign Up New Member. The first step is license plate capture. By default, this feature is required as it helps prevent duplicate accounts and promotion misuse. If your location needs to turn off the requirement, contact your EverWash account manager. When enabled, the attendant can enter the plate manually or capture it via the camera based on their workflow. This step helps protect the wash by identifying duplicate accounts and preventing repeated promotional abuse. If you work inside the building, such as a cashier at a full-service wash, you may not be able to see a member's license plate when they're signing up. The car could already be in the tunnel, and a member might not know their plate off the top of their head. For setups like this, EverWash offers cashier mode. When cashier mode is enabled at your location, you'll see a skip option on the license plate capture screen. Tapping skip lets you move forward with the sign-up process without capturing the plate information. The new member will be prompted to complete their vehicle profile the next time they log into the EverWash app. Please note, cashier mode is disabled by default. To enable it for your location, please reach out to your EverWash account manager. If license plate capture is not required at your location, you'll move straight to account creation. Next, you'll create the member account before selecting a membership plan. This is an important change compared to the last version of the Attendant app. By capturing their name and phone number or email upfront, the system can immediately check for existing accounts in the EverWash network. Phone number is the default sign-up method because it allows for faster verification and easier member account access later. A consent checkbox must be selected before continuing. All screens in this flow are now attendant-facing, designed for you to guide the interaction and not hand the device over to the customer. If the phone number, email, or license plate matches an existing EverWash account, the app will let you know. You'll see limited, partially hidden information, just enough to confirm ownership while protecting the customer's privacy. If the account belongs to the member in front of you, select it. The app will send a one-time verification code via text or email. Ask the customer to read the code to you, enter it, and continue. This verification step confirms account ownership and protects saved payment information. Here's how you sign up a new account. If the customer doesn't have an active EverWash account, you can create one right from the Attendant app. Enter the customer's information. Once the new account is confirmed, you'll select a referral code if applicable and move to the plan selection screen. Members can only receive one new member promotion when creating their account, which helps keep promotions fair and transparent. You'll then choose the membership plan, review the details, and confirm the amount that is due today, including tax. If an active member would like to add another vehicle and membership to their existing account, you can do that from the Attendant app as well. Select the member's profile and verify their account. When adding additional vehicles, attendants should still select their referral code in order to receive credit for the sale. However, referral code discounts will not apply to additional memberships. Instead, if your location supports family plans, any applicable family plan discount will be shown here. Family plan discounts and referral codes are handled separately, but you'll still receive credit for family plan sales through the Attendant app. Next, you'll add or confirm a payment method. For brand new accounts, you'll add a card as usual, either manually or by using an EverWash approved credit card reader. For customers with existing EverWash accounts, you may see a card already on file. If that card is expired or fails, you can remove it, add a new card, and continue, all within the sign-up flow. This also enables re-sign-ups. Attendants can now add a new membership to an existing account and update payment information at the same time. This makes it easy to win back former members on the spot. Once payment is successful, the membership is created immediately. The member receives a welcome message with instructions to download the EverWash app and finish setting up their account. You're then returned to the home screen, ready for the next sign-up.